I believe that a big part of the reluctance for venture capital to really be coming, out of the woodwork, out of the woods to be put towards projects that build out smart cities, IoT enabled by 5G, is the concern about cybersecurity. Investors aren't yet satisfied that we've got this nut cracked, and that implementations are being planned in a thoughtful, secure manner. So it's very important that we continue to have this dialogue around 5G risk elements, but also 5G security opportunities, because 5G was one of the first Gs to really bring in cyber as a design element. So there are features, some of those optional features of 5G that really, if employed correctly, can make significant improvements of the security of 5G. Things like separating out the control plane from content plane. That's a big deal, but you want to make sure that you're thoughtfully implementing that. So we'll talk some more about the different cybersecurity challenges and opportunities in 5G as we go forward. To the second question, what role might 5G play in its microgrid deployments in direct security against cyber threats? This goes into the opportunity side of 5G. One of the opportunities of 5G is to be better about cybersecurity, to recognize that in the microgrid deployments, we're going to have an additional very useful factor to utilize in multi-factor authentication deployments. We're going to be able to nail down location as a part of regular network operations in a way that's much better than we ever have in the past. Applications, utilization of the network, utilization of the multi-access edge computing part of the network, and MEC, which for those 5G laymen, it's simply the convergence of communications, compute, and storage at the edge. So think of the cloud and data centers that today host the cloud, and taking a little bit of that fabric and bringing it right out to the edge where you've got 5G radio access networks, and not having to have everything go back to the cloud to have that information exchange for the cloud. Well, that location awareness for communications can play a role in your multi-factor authentication and a number of other security elements, to include location-based routing, risk-based routing, and concepts that are just now developing that will improve our ability to approach cybersecurity from 5G.